Pre-qualification versus pre-approval versus DU approval. What the heck's the best one for you? Congratulations, you decided to take the next exciting step into homeownership. But before you start browsing at open houses, picking out your dream home, your kitchen colors, there's something important to understand: securing the right kind of financing. You've likely heard of terms like pre-qualification, pre-approval, DU approval get tossed around. What the heck does it even mean? Let's start with pre-qualification. Think of a quick snapshot of what you'll qualify for. When you get pre-qualified, you're giving a lender basic information like your income, your debts, your financial details. Based on that, they'll give you a rough estimate of how much you can borrow. It's fast and it's easy. Most of the time, you don't even provide your income documents, and they may do a soft credit check. But here's the catch. Because pre-qualification is based off self-reported information, sellers don't really take it seriously. You could have said, I make $900,000. And then when you send your tax returns in, you made $9,000. Big difference. We don't have a deal and you waste everybody's time. So this is more of a starting point. Now let's talk about pre-approval. This is where things get a little more serious. With pre-approval, you're giving your lender a full picture. They'll verify information by looking at your pay stubs, your tax returns, conducting a hard credit check. Sometimes this is confused with an actual approval or verified approval. This means you'll get a more accurate estimate of how much you can borrow. And guess what? The best part of it is you get the pre-approval letter. This letter is your golden ticket for home buyers. It's like your key to get in the home, especially in a competitive market. It shows sellers that you're pretty serious and that most importantly, you have the financial backing to close the deal. So if you're ready to get serious about the home shopping, getting pre-approved should be at the top of your to-do list. It gives you a leg up on other buyers that are still at the pre-qualification phase. But wait, there's still one more step that can make the difference in the whole thing. It's called the DU approval, Desktop Underwriting Approval. A DU approval takes your pre-approval a step further. It sends your financial details to an automatic underwriting system. While it's not a final approval, it adds another layer of confidence because it shows your loan is likely to get through the underwriting process without a hitch. This extra confidence is especially helpful in competitive markets. Sellers love to see this because there's less certainty about financing. It means you have an A-plus buyer. So which one do you need? For most home buyers, pre-approval is the sweet spot. It gives you a strong idea of what you can afford, and the pre-approval letter strengthens your offer for sellers. Keep in mind, banks may say pre-qual and pre-approval is the same thing, so just be careful on it. But if you're in a super competitive market like Florida and Texas, where homes are flying off the market, a DU approval can give you the extra edge you need. I highly advise doing the DU approval. Pre-approval and pre-qualification, throw them out the window. DU puts you in the best possible spot to get the best deal. At 14 Days to Close, we help home buyers like you navigate the pre-approval, pre-qualification, verified approval, DU approval. We have the tools and expertise to make sure you have the strongest position to land you that dream home. Whether you're getting pre-qualified, pre-approved, or aiming for the DU approval, we got your back. Apply today and reach out to one of our lending experts. Let's make home happen for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more mortgage tips and advice. We'll see you on the next video.